this Saturday, just a few days away, we finally get to see the triple threat match between Ace Radic, Nathan Vane, and Jackson Blade. We finally get to see the match that we should have seen. I finally get my chance at redemption for the Cruiserweight Championship. And everyone seems to be talking about this match. Except for two people. And oddly enough, the two people that aren't talking about it are Jackson Blade and Nathan Vane, who are involved in this very match. You both still fail to realize, you both still yet to acknowledge the fact that I am a part of this match. I am a part of the Cruiserweight title picture. And that is the first mistake you both have made. And knowing me and knowing what I've accomplished in the wrestling world, you should know that one mistake is all it takes for me and Lady Luck to capitalize and bring home the gold. You still want to focus on each other, that's fine by me, because that gives me leeway to walk in there and do what I do best. I am the high-flying, the butt-kicking, the jackpot-hitting, the ace of spades, Ace Radic. Come this Saturday, you both will know the name, Ace Radic.